Tik on his back. I don't know, I might try it down it. Overall though, it's decent. Maybe a bit sweeter, but I think that's just because I'm knackered. Just finished the back, I'm just cutting in at the moment. Drainage don't look great. Things completely blocked up and I can't get the grids out. I just want the drives collapsed a bit. But oh well. I've opened up the fence to the side so it can just roll out onto a bank. But I think this one's going to be a big transformation. I've already done the gutters and yeah, they're saying about doing the carpets like next week, but so must be doing something right. I don't know if it's like 3 or 4 degrees. I don't know why I'm in a t-shirt, to be fair. Yeah, it's all going good. I don't think I've talked much at the start of this video, but yeah, block paving, got a resounding this one as well, so I'll do that tomorrow. Might include it in the video just for a change. Don't know if anyone wants to see that. So, nightmare of taking breaks. Literally just want to down the cup and get back to work, and then get home to the family. But I'll see you in the next bit. I'm knackered. That was probably one of the hardest driveways I've cleaned. It dipped in about 7 different places and just kept pulling. I was trying to get rid of it. It was too steep to go that way. Trying to get it through here. Yeah, I had the mud sucker out, and even that, like, just constantly rinsing back and forth. It was absolute murder. But I'm so buzzing with the result. Come back tomorrow to sand it. I'm going home. Oh, it's you again. What are you doing?
Again.
It's you again. What are you doing?
Again.
You eating your fruit?
It's a fruit.
Good boy. One. There you go. I mean, great technique. That's it. You want to get your own patch or? Great little helper today, aren't you? Yep, we're brushing it in the ground. Filling all the gaps up. Doing great, mate. Right, that's another job blitzed. Well happy with the outcome. Oh, you wanna walk? Just got Theo back here to sand it. Needed some more reinforcements to be fair. But yeah, thanks for watching the video and I'll see you next one. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say see you later.
See you later.